If Christmas was a personality, this would be it. Bright, bold, and totally fun, this is our take on a kitschy Christmas tablescape, and we're gonna walk you through exactly how to pull it off. We started with this fuchsia crushed velvet tablecloth. It's loud, dramatic, and makes the perfect base. Then we layered satin turquoise runners on top to bring in a little contrast, and we tied them in bows, just to add a bit more festivity to the table. These colors shouldn't work together, but somehow they do. From there, we added gold charger plates and clear hammered plastic dinner plates and our gold cutlery set. We love mixing metallics and textures here. It gives you that party-ready look without being too serious. We kept that bold color energy going with emerald green velvet napkins and hammered gold napkin rings. Honestly, napkins are one of the easiest ways to make a table look intentional. We really wanted to add in these beautiful coupe glasses because they give it a bit of sophistication rather than taking you in the opposite direction of it looking tacky. Now for the centerpiece, this is where it got really fun. We used mini amber pedestal vases and tucked in some fuchsia ostrich feathers and scattered disco balls everywhere. To finish it off, we added a strand of fuchsia fairy lights and brought in a few kitschy pieces from home. And here's where you get to have a ton of fun. So think tinsel, retro ornaments, novelty stuff you'd find at grandma's house in the best way possible. This setup is perfect for a themed party, holiday brunch, or even just some fun to surprise your guests. And the best part? Almost everything here is from eFavormart, so it's totally doable. Would you try a kitschy Christmas look like this? Drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more over-the-top DIY ideas.